In this video, we are going to discuss about how to design a responsive seller store page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. So here we are going to design the seller page where the seller's products are available. He can do some processes using this page. He can add the product or delete a product, update a product, activate a product, deactivate a product, sort the product. So he can do many processes, but in this video we are going to discuss about the designing part only. Later on we will discuss the process part. So first of all, I will start the SAM server, the Apache server. So here I have started the Apache server. First of all, I will show my seller page, and later on we will discuss the code. So here local host, I will here I have already signed in. If there is a signed user only, we can go to the my products, the seller page. Now according to my e-commerce web application, a user can become a customer as well as a seller also. So this user can be a customer as well as this seller. So my e-commerce web application is designed according to that concept or idea. So this is my seller product seller's page where his products are viewed. So here I have assigned a session. If there is a session only, this page we can access to this page. Now see, if I sign out from here and go to, now we see here I will go to my product page. Here my product page, here nothing is there because there is no session. Now if I sign in and go to my product, now here a session is created. Now see, if I sign in and go to my product, now here I can go to the my product page. Now this is my design to the my product, or that means the seller store page. So here is the seller's name and Gmail with his profile picture, and here we can add a product. The seller can add a product by clicking this add product button. Here he will be directed to the add product page. Now here the products which are sold by this seller are the below. These are the products sold by this seller Ashfaq Ahmed. So this is the sorting design. Later on we will discuss the sorting process. I have only, as for now, I have only designed the sorting part. I mean to sort the products. Now we will move on to the code and discuss about it. So here I have, as I already mentioned, if there is only a session, we can access to the my product page. So here I have started a session and required the connection.php for database connection purposes. Wait a second, I will show the connection.php file. So this is my connection.php file. Here I have created some functions for specific tasks. Now here I have created a function IUD for insert, update, delete, and here I have created a function for search. That means for searching purposes. Here I have created the connection, and before assigning functions we must create the connection. Here I have mentioned the server location, here the username, here the here the password. In this space I have not mentioned my password for security reasons. So the cursor, where the cursor blinks, that is where we must mention the password. This is my database name and this is the database port. So this is my connection PHP file. Now we will move on to my products file. So here I have started the session and required the connection PHP file, and if there is a session only, we can show this page where the title my products, and this is the header. That means this part is the header of the my product PHP, the header part. This is the header. So the code for the header, here I have loaded the profile image and the relevant seller's name, or we can say user's name here using the database function. Here I have, for profile images, I have given the search function select all from profile image, where the user's email in the database is equal to the session email. Here I have created the session email within the variable $email. So here I have, if the result of the profile image is 1, then we can assign that profile image to our header, or less here I have mentioned a alternate image for if there is no profile image for the relevant user. So this is the image where here in the resources, this is the image for profile if there is no profile image for the relevant seller or user who logged to the seller's page, or who visited the seller's page. Here I have loaded the first name and concat with the last name, concat a space and mention the last name. Here I have loaded the email from our database, and here this is the add product button. Here I have given a on click function to window location add product PHP. Now if I click, I will be directed to add product PHP. So that is the part that occur there. Now we will move on to the body part. Body part means these part, these all are the body part. So the body, here I have for sorting, this is the design for sorting. Up to here, this is the design for sorting. I have given the relevant Bootstrap class and Bootstrap attributes to make the design beautiful. I will not go in detail for that. We will move on to the next component or next part of the design, here the product part. So in the body, this is the product part. Here I have loaded the product. Here I have loaded the product of the relevant user who sells this. Here I have loaded the products of the relevant sellers. So if the seller sells, for example, if a seller sells iPhone XN12, if the Ashwak seller sells iPhone XN12, using this code, I have loaded the iPhone XN12 to my page. Now here, these are the products sold by Ashwak. So the products here are loaded from the database of the user or seller Ashwak. So here I have given the relevant variable names and obtain the relevant results using the database search function. And here this is the card part where the products are loaded. Here I have loaded the image from the relevant product from the Ashwak sellers product table. Here I have loaded the title, price, quantity, and that's all for this design part. Here this is the design for the pagination. There are some processes here. So in the pagination process, where there will be a video in future, we will discuss in detail. Now we will focus only on the designing part. So here this is the button update and delete. To delete the update, to update a product, or delete button for delete the product. So that is all for the designing part in seller stores page. So thank you, have a nice day.